6 p.m. Malaysian time, Sarawak time. So finally our job is done on the total removal, but not yet for the clearing, right? So basically just want to share with you, it's quite a mess. This one is done by one of our guy. It's a huge mess, but you know, a new guy, he is learning. You can see it's like a nightmare. Yeah, it's a nightmare, but I just fixed a bit, and yeah, we managed to take it down, because when he did it, his face cut was very bad that the tree doesn't go off, but it's already the notch, the hinge is already off, but yet the tree is not falling off, so I have to make a bit of adjustment, and finally we managed to get the tree down. There's some dogs, yeah, the dogs, the neighbor dogs, yeah, it's very fierceful. All right, so and the last one that I would like to share to you with you guys is this big one. It's basically done by me. Yeah, all right, I wouldn't say this is a perfect cut, but it should be a good one, I guess. Yeah, there you can see the hinge. Yep, you can see the hinge. It's about approximately 1 inch until here, but I leave this actually accidentally. It's not that I leave it, but I was trying to choke it, and then it started to move, so I just leave it and continue to choke it from the back, and finally it went off, because we are using the supported by 5-to-1 mechanical system. So yeah, it's quite a big one. Yeah, my 25-inch bar didn't go through. As you can see, 25-inch bar from this point to this point only. So this is about, yeah, this overall length, this overall diameter is about 27 inch, I guess. Yep. Yeah, so that's it, guys. It's a wrap. So finally it's done. So thank you for tuning in, and we hope to share more of what we are doing with bye.